Today, we are going to make the women's full-length kilt. In the first step, we select the tartan fabric and thread. Then we cut the fabric depending on the desired kilt's length and waist to make the front apron. After that, we cut pleated panels and secure them with pins and sew them with a straight stitch. We stitch the pleats across the top to secure them inside the kilt. Then we take a pair of leather straps and attach them with side buckles to make an accurate fit and fastening kilt. After that, we cut the small loops and sewed them on the back waist. In the last step, we press the kilt to boost neatness and make it shiny and new.